So whether you're a singer, studio musician, you play in an orchestra, whatever the case, you're going to want a music stand. This was sent out for review. This is Vekkia. The nice thing about this stand is that it doesn't really take any tools to put it together. You want to unloosen these little bolts here. You want to be able to slide this here, so you just unloosen this all the way and it just slides, fits in the groove through here and then slides down, and then you just tighten it up. Then this bar here, all you gotta do is loosen this up and it slides on. And then you just tighten that up. You also have a knob here to loosen it so you can angle. Then you have this secondary pole. You just loosen this up, set it to here and tighten it. And then we'll put this one on the bottom. So once you put the bottom one on, you'll just tighten it up. Then you can unloosen these and open these up here. And you can adjust this however you need to. And it also has these little springs here to hold